subject English, and the topic is Go Green, Go Smart. So children, through this lesson we are going to learn about our surroundings, our environment, how we can save Mother Earth. So let us also learn about the 3 R's, that is reduce, reuse and recycle. So children, in this lesson, so Kushagra is the name of a boy. He is going with his mother to the market, and what he is noticing on the streets, let us read, and also we'll learn, through this lesson we can learn how we can save Mother Earth, how we can save the nature. Okay children, let me start with the lesson. Let us page number 8. You can just follow the lines where I am reading. So children, Kushagra is a bright student. He has topped the class with flying colors. Okay, Kushagra is a bright student. He has topped the class with flying colors. Now he is in class 5. He is a favorite of his teachers and parents. All his classmates like him very much. To know the reason for his popularity, let's peep through the pages of his diary. So some people have the habit of writing everything, whatever happens day to day, they keep writing in their diary. Even Kushagra is a student of class 5. He is a bright student. Even teachers and friends, they like him very much. So let us read about him. Let us see. Let us peep. Peep means what, children? To look quickly and secretly. Let us peep through his diary and will come what Kushagra has mentioned in his diary. Let us read, children. So children, he is saying that I am very happy. I am very happy. I have topped my class. So he is writing, I am very happy. I have topped my class. Today I went shopping with my mother. Today I went shopping with my mother. On my way to the market, I saw the road littered with all kinds of refuse. So littered means what? Spread around. You can see the meanings, children. In that same page, you can see the words. For the hard words, you can see the meanings already they have given. So littered means what, children? Spread around. So Kushagra is saying that, so I went with my mother to the market and I saw the things littered with all kinds of refuse. Refuse means what? Waste material. So he's writing in his diary, he's mentioning, he's saying that when he went to market with his mother, he could see the things littered on the street, and then also all kinds of refuse, that is all kinds of waste materials. And then what happens, that is, and also is mentioning the things which has noticed on the road, that is disposable glasses, plates, spoons, old toys, school bags, polythene bags, empty mineral water bottles, old notebooks and much more. So he is saying it was a horrifying sight. So horrifying means making one feel shocked, disgusted or frightened. So he is saying that he was shocked to see that one. He was shocked to see all this waste material on the street. So that is disposable glasses, plates, spoons, old toys, school bags, polythene bags, empty mineral water bottles, old notebooks and much more. It was a horrifying sight, he is saying, after seeing that one. So when he was going to market with his mother, he saw that the things that were littered on the road, and he is saying that he was shocked to see that one. And then mother told me to do my bit for the environment. Then his mother will tell him to do something to change this one. So she will tell to, is remembering and is writing in his diary that mother told me to do my bit for the environment. I was curious. Curious means what, children? See the meaning here? Having a strong desire to know something. So he is saying that I was curious. Mother and I went a little further and saw 2 different colored bins put by the side of a park. So he is remembering that mother and I went to a little further and saw 2 different colored bins put by the side of a park. One blue and the other green. Even we use at home the children nowadays. So we need to separate the garbage, isn't it? Dry and wet, like that. So he is telling that he could see 2 colored bins there, that is one blue and the other green. Mother explained me about reduce, reuse and recycle. Even his mother taught him about the 3 R's, that is reduce, recycle and recycle. Reduce, reuse and recycle. The 3 R's of the environment. 3 R's of the environment. The green bin was meant to put in items that can be recycled. The green bin was meant to put in items that can be recycled, like glass, metal, paper, and then plastic. The blue bin was biodegradable items that would be used to make compost. That can be used to make compost. By this time, I was feeling thirsty. Remembering, I said that by this time I was feeling thirsty. And then I reached for a can of Coke at a kiosk. Kiosk means what, children? A small shop open at the front where newspapers, drinks, etc. are sold. So he was feeling thirsty and he was looking to get a can of cola at a shop. Kiosk means shop. But mother stopped me and instead bought a Tetra Pak of juice that could be thrown in the blue bin to reduce waste. So we can reduce waste. So his mother will tell him to, she will tell him to take a Tetra Pak of juice that could be thrown in the blue bin to reduce waste. It was an eye-opener. So he is saying that it was an eye-opener. So what his mother taught him, so he was telling that was an eye-opener. We brought some grocery, fruits and other household items that my mother put in the cloth carry bag which she had brought with her. So like this, Kushagra is remembering, and also what his mother did, she brought cloth bag. When we go for shopping, when we go to purchase something, we need to take cloth bag along with us, isn't it? So we can minimize waste there. So if you are purchasing the things and the shopkeeper giving you the polythene bag, so after that what we do, we throw it in the environment, we throw outside, isn't it? So like that it gets polluted there. So to minimize that one, we need to carry the cloth bags along with us when we go for shopping. So let us, in the next class, let us see so what and all Kushagra is remembering and mentioning in his diary, and how we can make use of these 3 hours. We are going to learn in the next class, children. So we can just read the lesson till where I have done. You read the lesson and then find out the meanings for the hard words that is given in the textbook here. Okay, children. See you in the next class. Thank you.